beautiful. It's overwhelming. It's everything that I was hoping that it would be. There's obviously lots of room for all sorts of community events in here, with a community rink, with the Huskies rink. We've been working as a university, I think it's safe to say, for decades, imagining having to replace Rutherford. As much as there are many fond memories of it, and they're being captured, and we'll have a ceremony to say goodbye to Rutherford. But it's really stunning to see this place.
I'm overwhelmed, actually. It's great, and I think the comment about the community and the city of Saskatoon and their engagement to get behind it so it could be commenced last May, I think that was critical to why we're to the stage today. What can I say? I never would have imagined when I was first approached that there would be this kind of facility.
The first thing it means to me is that this university can take on a big community-minded project and make it happen, and get the support and the funding in place for it. We'll be seeing concerts being held here. After a while, we're going to be holding our convocations here, which I'm delighted about because it'll be right adjacent to our most beautiful campus in Canada. So it means a lot to the university to have this spectacular Merlis Belsher Place right here.
Yeah, well, I think one of the first things I thought it was getting big. Skated just got a whole lot worse. Size of the Ruthy's a little bit smaller. This ice surface is way bigger. So, but no, we were also talking like playing with a home crowd in this rink is going to be fun. So once again, though, it's kind of hard to believe right now, but I'm sure at the time it's going to be amazing.
Oh, the first thing I think of is the Husky dog getting painted at center ice there. That's kind of my big thought, my big picture in my head. So that's going to be exciting to see. We were talking about it just while you guys having your other scrum there, about having Welcome to the Doghouse painted somewhere in this rink, hopefully, to whoever's doing the aesthetics. But just little details like that you know, you can bring from Rutherford to bring the tradition over here to a new era of Husky hockey. We're going to have so much fun playing in this new rink in front of Husky supporters and just Saskatoon people in general. But no, I will miss the Rutherford. I've had a very good experience in my 2+ years over there. There's certain things that you will miss, certain things you won't miss. I know a lot of our current players and a lot of our alumni are saying that when the time does come, they're going to be going up onto the rafters and knocking down some of that rust. And the rust is going to be coming over here in some way or form. But we're definitely going to miss the Rutherford, but we're looking forward to Merlis Belsher Place.